Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how do you add Afterpay to Amazon. So let's get into the video. So firstly, the question, so can we actually use Afterpay on Amazon? So the straight answer for this question is no, it's not. So for some reason like Afterpay, like Amazon no longer allows it customers to use Afterpay for their website purchases. So whatever purchase that's on their website, so it's not possible. So we can't really do that. So even if you check these if you check over Google Amazon Afterpay on if you Google search it, if you Google search it, like if you look at the article from Cider, you can see that like it's mentioned that it doesn't let you anymore. So to do this, so instead, what Amazon is doing, that they offer financial assistance through payment info, like using the apps through like Klarna and stuff. So that's the option. So as far as Afterpay, there's no way that we can use this on Amazon. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.